As per the previous outlook, the gold USD price shows a decent downside correction while the broader direction is still bullish. Investors should closely monitor how the price trades near-term support levels to find the bullish continuation opportunity. The daily price of the gold USD price shows a bullish rebound in the 50 RSI line last Thursday. It is a sign that investors are interested in buying gold despite the recent sell-off. On the bullish side, the next resistance level from the 20-week SMA is at the 1970 level before approaching the 100-day SMA level. In that case, bulls should wait for the valid price above the 1980 static level before aiming for the 2000 key psychological level. On the other hand, the downside pressure is potent as the next support level is found at the 1945 level, which is the confluence support from the 50-day SMA and 23.6% Fibonacci retracement from the current bullish swing. A bearish D1 candle below the 1940 level could initiate a strong bearish trend in this pair, where the current aim is to test the 1920 and 1900 key support levels.